Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm here to talk about I'm start off with telling you my name is Terrence Grundy and I have a YouTube channel. I'm a YouTuber, and after the main reason I started my YouTube channel was to get subscribers, and get monetized and use it as a way of, hopefully become a primary income. And along the way, I've done a lot of research and I've learned a lot of things. And I'm here to help you learn what I have learned. So if you would start off by subscribing to my channel, and hopefully YouTube can learn some of the stuff that I've learned from from us linking up and getting together, and hopefully we can grow a business or empire. That's the first thing I want to say. Second thing is, the number one way that I've learned that to make money or whatever is basically sales, or a sales platform of some kind. It doesn't matter if you're selling real estate, it doesn't matter if you're selling cars, it doesn't matter what you're selling, books, ebooks, clothes, all of that, websites, all of that. Whatever you're selling or whatever, it's either selling it or finding a way to give away free stuff in order to get financed off of that. There's so many different ways and methods out there, and I'm interested in not only teaching but learning. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced, there's always something new coming out that you want to be on top of. So click the links down below and check out to see what I have to offer, and what we can offer each other. And hopefully you will see the benefits of the information that I'm sharing. And the one thing that I can say, that there's no such thing as a shortage of what to sell. If you go down below, I have plenty of things that affiliate marketing programs that you can use, and all you really have to do is, like they say, get eyes on the prize. And if it makes sense to you, you'll definitely see that this is something for you and it's worth investing in, and you definitely want to be a part of what we have going on. So, like I say, let's share with each other today, and hopefully I'll see you at the top. I'll see you later, and we'll be in touch. Contact me via email or via text message, and we'll go from there. And like I say, check out the links down below. That's the important part. You definitely want to subscribe to my channel and check out the links. Thank you so much. We'll be in touch. Hello YouTube world, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop hot content like this, and stay tuned for the next video.